Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. We all are born as lions, courageous, optimistic, strong, and all. But what happens? Many times we turn into sheep. Yes, you heard me correct. First, let me share a story of the lion who became a sheep. And afterwards, we will discuss how we are changed into sheep. Once, what happened? There was a huge lioness, pregnant and half starved. As the days passed, and the baby lion grew heavier within her means within her stomach. She had a hard time moving around in quest of prey. Because because of the weight of the body, it was very difficult for her. Even when the lioness successfully shot some creatures, she wasn't quick enough to pounce and so failed every time to capture her prey. So every time it happened like that. That is why she was half starved, roaring with sadness, heavy with the baby lion, and she was hungry. The lioness roamed through the forest and finally fell asleep in the shade of a tree. As she was dozing, she dreamed that she saw a flock of sheep grazing. See, this is the dream. She dreamt. Trying to pounce upon one of the dream sheep, she jerked and woke up to behold in reality a large flock of sheep grazing nearby. Just imagine how interesting it is. Then what happened? Overwhelmed with joy, she was very happy because she was hungry. Forgetful of the baby lion she was carrying inside her stomach, and impelled by the madness, unappeased hunger, the lioness pounced upon a young lamb and disappeared into the depths of the jungle. She carried one young lamb. The lioness did not even realize that, owing to the severe exertion of her mad leap for the lamb, she had given birth to her cub. But where the cub is left now? The sheep were paralyzed with fear at the attack. But when the lioness departed and the panic was over, they wakened from their stupor and noticed the loss of the lamb. As the flock bleated with lamentations in sheep language, they noticed, to their great astonishment, the helpless baby lion mewling in their midst. One of the ewes took pity on the cub and adopted it as her own. So in this way, the baby cub is grown up among the sheep. Several years passed. The orphan lion, now a mature beast with long mane and tail, roamed with the flock, behaving exactly like a sheep. bleating instead of roaring, and eating grass instead of meat. This strictly vegetarian lion had perfected himself in the weakness and meekness of the lamb. It so happened that one day another lion strolled out of the nearby forest. He was walking up and down. And what happened? Thrilled with joy and whipped by hunger, the strong lion pursued the fleeing flock of sheep. When, to his great amazement, he noticed the husky sheep lion, tail high in the air, also fleeing at top speed ahead of the sheep. The pursuing lion paused for a moment, waited for a moment, switching his tail in astonishment and pondering within himself. He thought, I can understand why the sheep is running away, but why this huge lion is running away? He was really puzzled. Then what he did? He took that lion near him and slapped him and told, wake up, what is the matter? Why do you, a brother lion, fly away from me? You are also a lion like me, and why are you running away? The sheep lion closed his eyes and bleated out in a sheep language, please let me go, don't kill me. I am just a sheep. Ah, now I see why you are bleating, said this captor. He pondered a moment, then seized the man of the sheep lion with his mighty jaws and dragged him towards a lake at the end of the pasture land. When they reached the shore of the lake, he pushed the other lion and began to shake him violently, for the sheep lion still had his eyes tightly closed. And it told him, open your eyes now and see who are you. Look at your image in the water. And this poor sheep lion is bleating, please don't kill me, let me go. I am not a lion, I am a sheep, he is telling. But the lion said, no, you are not a sheep. This you feel because you are around the sheep. Then the sheep lion, convinced, tried to roar, but at first succeeded only in producing bleat-mingled roars. But slowly he succeeded in roaring effectively. Then both lions leaped across the fields and together pursued the flock of sheep, finally returning to live together in the den of the older lion. Now tell me, why this happened? Because of the environment. Though he was a lion, born as a cub, grew up as a lion, he thought that he is a sheep because he was brought up among the sheep. Actually, he had the qualities of the lion. This is what happens with us, my dear friends. We are born with good qualities, but we never recognize those qualities. Then what we should do? We have to study ourselves. we have to find out what are our qualities, what I can do. Find out your strong points and come out as a man with the courage, a man who can do something. Man or woman, whatever, human being I mean. So, don't be a sheep when you are a lion. Remember, you are a lion, you are having so many qualities. So develop those qualities and live like a lion. Have a good day.